I'm Joan Masó, I work at CREAF, and I'm directing a group that is doing research on digital maps. I'm the coordinator of the project actually, so I'm in charge of the execution of the work that we are doing together among the 15 partners. The OGC has worked on creating interoperable services. It has done that work for maybe 20 years, but now that the IT mainstream created a new way of doing web services, the OGC has adopted that way. And this is the so-called OGC APIs. There are OGC APIs for several kinds of data, for instance, for features, maybe also for processes, and there is also for coverages. And this is the one that we are talking about. The Open Data Cube is a piece of software that you can set up in order to store data that is multidimensional. Multidimensional means that we have values in each spatial dimension, maybe in temporal dimension, maybe in elevation, or maybe in other dimensions like all ranges of temperatures or things similar. We need a special kind of data structure to do that, and this is called Data Cube. The issue with Open Data Cube is that once you set it up, you need to use it using Python scripts or R scripts to access the data. There are people that are professional on doing that, but there are people that don't know how to do that. And the other issue is you need to execute those Python scripts in the computer that has the Open Data Cube. What we did was actually to prepare a front end to the Open Data Cube that is an OGC API coverage. It's an implementation of an OGC API coverage made in Python. So it translates the OGC API commands into a Python code that is executed and it returns the data. In the project we have two kinds of data. We have feature-based data that is stored in RDF, and we have coverage data, multidimensional data, that is stored in Open Data Cube. That's why we simply need two kind of systems, because we have two kinds of data. This Python script can be used in any setup of the Open Data Cube. So everyone that has an Open Data Cube instance, they can use this front end to make their data compatible with the OGC API coverage. It makes the data more accessible, so it's addressing the A part of FAIR. In the sense that you have a simple interface, you ask for the ranges of the dimensions you want, you ask for the envelope you want, and you get that piece of information. So it's definitely facilitating the access to the data. It also helps in the reusability of the data, in the sense that it is not only giving access, you can also do operations with the data while you download the result directly. So in some sense, you can reproduce and reuse algorithms that you found around and you apply it into your data. Well, you can simply open the Python. It's a script, it's not so long, it's open source. Maybe it's, 200 lines, and you can read it and try to understand, but that's kind of complicated. We have small documentation in GitHub, mainly about the typical URLs that you can use in the Open API to actually make it work.